How's it going, guys? I'm going to show you guys why checking your wait times is super important and how to get that fixed so that way you get paid the correct amount of money. So on this Walmart delivery, it says that I was waiting for 1.14 minutes, which basically paid me 8 cents. Now, I waited for about an hour on this delivery, so what you're gonna want to do is click on the little question mark in the corner. That's the little help menu. Then you're gonna report an issue. Click issue with earnings, and then select my wait time was incorrect. Scroll down in the description, wait time incorrect. Click continue. Select that and report issue. Alright, and then they're going to send you an email. What you're going to want to do is put the name of the business, the address, the date, and the time. And you want to do this within 48 hours of the delivery in order to get the reimbursements. But basically, if you guys are waiting a long time, check your wait times and make sure that they reflect the time that you actually waited. And that'll give you a few extra bucks, and I hope that helps. You guys have a good one.